We're going to send it up, not too high, don't need to send it up that high. Okay, it is saying strong winds, so this may be not a good idea now. But you get the gist of it. I'm over the sea. But then we are talking about the flip, aren't we? And at the moment, I can't see nothing. So this could be another video where I've said goodbye to my drone, because at the moment, nothing. A while back I did a test on a return to home. So what happens, guys, I send the drone out and I turn off the controller, and I did it over the sea. I did it with the Mini 4 Pro, worked fine. But will the DJI Flip do the same? The whole idea of this is to send the drone up, we send it over the sea, I'll turn the controller off. Now obviously the video is on at long last. Right, I'm gonna get the drone up in the air, let's get on with it. It's not a good day. We got some bad weather at the moment. You can see the old drone wiggling around there. We're going to send it up, not too high, don't need to send it up that high. Right, I'm going to put it into sports mode. I'm going to send it off over the sea. Strong winds. Okay, just bring it down a little bit then. Okay, it is saying strong winds, so this may be not a good idea now. I'm not going to send it too far out, but you get the gist of it. I'm over the sea. Okay, I'm going to turn off the controller now. The whole point of this video is to prove that if the controller for some reason went off, which it can happen, guys, controllers do go off, you can get a fault with it, the drone will come back. Or will it? We're talking about the DJI Flip. I can't see nothing yet. But I've got faith. I've got faith that the drone will come back. But then we are talking about the flip, aren't we? And at the moment, I can't see nothing. Come on. So this could be another video where I've said goodbye to my drone, because at the moment, nothing. No, that ain't looking good. Oh! Should never give up faith. That's what I say. I nearly did. I was thinking, oh my God, I can see it. I can see it. He seems to be hovering up there, but he's probably fighting the wind. What I also had to do before I took the drone out, I brought the height down a little bit because it did say because of the strong winds today, and I can see it there. I think what it's doing is fighting the wind. I mean, I've seen some amazing videos where the drone, you know, has fought against the wind. No, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming back. And just to prove, guys, the controller is off. But I've got the video footage on. So he's coming in, and like I said, when it comes down the land, I might have to take control of it again because it does go off. It's not very good at precision landing, I noticed. But looking at that, that's pretty smack on. As long as you stay there, mate. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Wow. I'm pretty amazed with that. It did take a while to come back. I was thinking, was this a good idea? But anyway, guys, end of the day, it's a bit of fun. But also, it just proves that if your controller did pack up for some reason, the drone will still come back. And I thought that was a good test because strong winds, but it still come back. So as always, there's going to be another video coming right soon.